Ford F-150 isn't just a truck, it's a legend. Built tough, it powers through hills and charges through mud like nothing's in its way. With massive towing capability, it hauls boats, trailers, or heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Whether you're on the job site or off-roading in the wild, the F-150 delivers rugged strength, reliability, and power every time. This is America's favorite truck, and it's easy to see why.